In today's video, I'll walk you through how to view global crypto market data on CoinGecko. Understanding the global crypto market health is the first step in any serious audit. Today, I'm going to show you how to pull back the curtain on the entire crypto industry using CoinGecko's global market data. When you land on CoinGecko.com, you're actually looking at the global hub by default, but there's specific data you need to be paying attention to. The header bar, right at the very top of the page, you'll see the global market cap, 24-hour volume, and dominance percentages. This is your at-a-glance dashboard. The global page, click on the cryptocurrencies drop-down menu at the top, then select Global Charts. This takes you to a deep dive page that isolates the entire market's performance, not just one coin. What are we actually looking for here? Global market cap. This is the total value of all cryptos combined. If this is dropping while BTC price stays flat, it means capital is leaking out of the altcoin market. BTC Dominance. This is crucial. If BTC Dominance is rising, it often signals that the market is in risk-off mode and capital is flowing out of risky alts and into the safest asset. 24-hour volume. Always monitor this. A rise in market cap without a rise in volume can indicate low liquidity price manipulation, something you definitely want to catch before entering a position. Use this global data to filter out the noise. If a coin is pumping while the global market cap is bleeding, you know that move is likely isolated and dangerous. By verifying the broader market trend, you can distinguish between a genuine market shift and a temporary, localized liquidity trap. You can revisit this page anytime to monitor how the overall market changes throughout the day. Since crypto prices and trading activity move constantly, the market data on CoinGecko updates to reflect the latest available information.